Yeah, man. You have some breakfast, huh? The follow this story. Hot. Call it some turmeric tea. Got that. Yeah. Got some platinum here. Franks. Got dish towel here. Crazy. Yeah. Share up a video, my people. I tell you. So one on me a few guys. I wanna make some tea. Got that. Hot. Yeah, just like the Chinese. So the Chinese bowl them drink water. Yeah, just like the Chinese. Yeah, man. Like that, my people. Yeah. And some turmeric tea. With a little stir. Hot. Hot like a fire, my people. Yeah, man, a breakfast setting, guys. Yeah, sugar already inside it. Got that. Yeah. Yes, people. Nice. Nice, I see, guys. Man, we got some platinum here, so that one I was just frying. See there. Yeah, man, straight off IG. Yeah, man, from right here to here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See that? Yeah, I got some tea right there, so too. Yeah, man. Yard settings. Can't even see the phone good. Yeah, guys. Yeah, like up a video, guys. Share up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man. It's funny tea. Yeah. Yeah, man. Some turmeric tea. Yeah, just like the Chinese. Yeah, guys. Look at that. He's so nice. Thumbs up the video. Tell a friend to tell a Remember guys, check out the video on the channel and subscribe to the channel also. Got that. Just like the Chinese. Thumbs up the video. Like up the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah guys. Yeah man. Shell down some planting. Yeah. This is it. What the so yummy delicious. Yeah, you guys should check out the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Peace out. I'm out.